How to change mobile number in Aadhaar card. Have you changed your contact number recently? Make sure that you change your mobile number in Aadhaar card too. In order to avail online Aadhaar services, you need to keep your number updated. Apart from this, if you want to use the mAadhaar app, your mobile number has to be registered with Aadhaar. Let's take a look at the steps to change your mobile number in Aadhaar card. In the first step, visit a nearby Aadhaar Enrolment Centre. Fill the Aadhaar update and correction form. Make sure that you fill the correct information. After filling the form, submit the form to the Aadhaar executive. Then you need to pay the service, which is ₹30. You will be given an acknowledgement slip that contains the update request number, that is URN. This URN can be used to check the status of your update request. Your mobile number will be updated in Aadhaar's database within 90 days. Stay updated with all the information on Aadhaar card on Paisabazaar.com.